What's going on, y'all? This is your man back at it again with another episode, another edition of the long-awaited, highly anticipated, it's gonna be the most debated. We here, it's time to get it popping. You know what it is. It's Frank's Closet. Hit my theme music!
You are listening to the
He the plug, one-stop shop for all sneaks. He the plug, got the day fixed for hype beats. He the plug, come to shoot knowledge of beats. He the plug, baby show you where to get it for the cheap. He the plug, yo when it comes to eating the forces of J's, I swear he the best in the game. It's Frank's Closet, even breaking down the history and things, making sure it ain't no mystery, man. It's Frank's Closet. Hey yo, my kick ain't right since I linked up with Frank Grimes for product reviews on these shoes, so don't waste time to build up these views and get more bang for your money. Now these kids won't have to look at you funny like, what are those, money? Remember copping them top 10s and looking fresh to death though. My favorites was LeBron's number 4. Whoa. So sit back and strap on your favorite sneakers and they'll tell you all about the features. Come on in. He the plug, one-stop shop for all sneaks. He the plug, got the day fixed for hype beats. He the plug, come to shoot knowledge of beats. He the plug, baby show you where to get it for the cheap. He the plug, yo when it comes to eating the forces of J's, I swear he the best in the game. It's Frank's Closet, even breaking down the history and things, making sure it ain't no mystery, man. It's Frank's Closet.
What's going on, y'all? I'm back. Welcome to another edition. Hell, I don't know if this will be season 1, but this will be probably season 3. Because it's been a long time. We've been on hiatus. But we back now. We done with all the other stuff. And now we can focus on the long-awaited Frank's Closet. As always, like and subscribe. I'm back, y'all. It's been a long time. Updates. I sold a gang of shoes, so I didn't have any shoes to talk about. And now I had to buy a bunch of shoes back to have shoes to talk about. And now that all the shoes that I've been wanting to purchase have been bought, I'm ready to get it on now. So I want to thank everybody for tuning in, being patient with the show. You know, I'm going to get them views back up. I think one of my videos had like 50,000 views one time. It was just clickbaitish, you know. I think I put a picture in the thumbnail and everybody was clicking it thinking it was something else, and they would look at it for like 40 seconds and be out. But even if you look at it for 40 seconds, I appreciate it nonetheless. But anyway, this is Frank's Closet. I'm your host, Frank Grimes. I am back with a lot of shoes to talk about this season. I'm gonna try to do a show once a week, hopefully once a week. But there's so many good drops coming out, and I know a lot of shoes already came out. People doing videos on them, but let's get to some parameters of the show so y'all understand what we got going on. So first off, I talk about the shoes I like. Of course, I will review shoes that come out from time to time, because but I don't buy everything. But the problem is, I can buy everything, and that's where the drama comes in. That I can buy whatever I want now. Okay, let's get that straight. I can buy whatever I want, but I gotta be selective in what I buy, because I ain't trying to go broke buying shoes just to talk about on YouTube. So I buy exactly what I like and exactly what I want and exactly what I want to talk about. Sometimes a lot of my shoes have stories behind them, like the shoes we're gonna talk about today. I have stories behind those, and so we're gonna get into all that. So without further ado, let's get to the show. And we're gonna be doing something different in Frank's Closet, since this is the time of the Rona. We can't go to the malls like we used to, so we got to get deliveries sent in to the house. So I got some deliveries, and we're gonna be doing some unboxing on this episode. Yeah, we're gonna be doing some unboxing on this episode. Look at this box. What the hell you think in this box? What you think in this box? Yeah, but I got some stuff to talk about. So let's open up the first shoe. I actually don't remember what's in this box, because I ordered so much from this place, I don't even remember what it is. So let's get to it. Thanks for tuning in. This is Frank's Closet. This is Frank's closet, and oh, I guess I should open this up on the camera so you can actually see me opening it. That was bad, but I got to get back in the swing of things because I ain't done this in so long. It's been a minute, man. I miss y'all, and you know I miss buying the kicks, but you know I'm back now. I had to finish up that school shit. That shit got done today, so we back in the game now. We back in. I told Coach, hand me the jersey, cause I'm going in. I'm going in, Coach. I'm ready to put up MVP numbers, Coach. Coach say, man, sit your ass down now. Sit your ass down. But no, okay. Oh, okay. So the first shoe that we gonna talk about today, I forgot about this shoe. I bought this. So as you can see, it's a pair of Pumas. Frank buying Pumas? Yeah, we buy what we like around here. There's some new stuff coming to the closet, baby. It's some new stuff coming to the closet. We got stuff coming. I also got to be energetic on these videos, so it may come off a little corny, but I'm trying to become more, what's the word I'm looking for? Boisterous. So, you know, it attract more viewers. But yeah, we got shit coming, baby. And I curse too, so if you got kids watching this, you might not want to watch this because I be cursing. But yeah, but whatever. But anyway, the first shoe. How much I pay for these joints before we even get to it? They ain't nothing but some little Pumas or something. You know, I told you I buy what I like. Don't expect to see a bunch of hype beast shit on here because I don't be wanting to put one. Okay, so let's get to this. First off, one, I ain't waiting in no lines no more. I ain't finna be online trying to be fighting these bots. If I ever buy a pair of Yeezys, I'm just gonna tell you right now, I just got lucky. I just got lucky. But sometimes I don't be wanting to waste that $220 on them. I be feeling like with that $220, I can buy 2 pair of ones on sale at Nike. You know what I'm saying? You can go get a pair of ones for like $120, and then you can go get you a little pair of Adidas or something like these. We'll get to that later, another show. But you can get something like them for like $50. Closet looking straight. But people be so hype beastie. You know, I get it. I think the Yeezys are cool. I like the shoe. I just ain't about the hyping, whatever. But if I ever get lucky, the shoe will be on the closet. Will I get lucky? I doubt it because I'll be feeling sick to drop that. The only shoe I want to pay $224 right now is Foam Posits. That's it. Like that Jordan hair shoe, that joint $220, $250 something. Man, nobody buying that shit. But now when it go on sale, that joint ain't gonna sell. If I catch it on sale, I'm gonna get it. Alright. Anyway, enough of my rants. I do a lot of ranting, so get used to that. I paid $50 for these. All these Tiff shoes. So I bought Tiff some shoes. I buy women's shoes too. Because, it's gonna rain. So I buy women's shoes too. That shit came in loud in the butt. Oh yeah, so these shoes here, you'll see more of them in the pictures. But these shoes here, I'm gonna set this down for a second. These shoes here are called the Valentine's Day Pumas. Oh yeah, these hard. These hard. These hard. These hard. Come on now. These hard. Wait till you look at these pictures. I got a real high def camera too. I'm gonna show you these bitches. These joints hard. These joints hard. Come on, man. Check it out. Look at the toe. Love lost. Love lost. Come on, man. Puma, what you doing, Puma? What you doing, Puma? What you doing, Puma? Why you trying to make? Oh, yeah, these hard. And you know what? Women's shoes be kind of dope, man. They be making some cool women's shoes. And I got big feet, so I wouldn't wear too many women's shoes, but women's shoes be looking kind of dope. But these hard though, man. I like the little color. The little pink is not too kiddie-fied. I like how they got the little gold love lost for the Valentine's Day edition. These are Valentine's Day Pumas. Yeah, these hard. They look like they comfortable. I don't know, because they women's shoes. I'll give you an update on them, but yeah, check them out. Yeah, these kind of cool right here. These kind of cool right here. These kind of cool. Yeah. So, I'm gonna put these back in a box, and while I wrap these joints back up, you can check out the video of the shoes up close. Alright, Welcome back. Can't tell me them joints ain't hard. Them straight, like for $50. Some subtle differences in shoes to me make the shoe. Like every shoe be kind of cookie cutter, and that's cool, you know, whatever. But when they have them with that one difference, the one thing that make a shoe stand out from a different shoe, I like that. And speaking of shoes that stand out, because I kind of know what these shoes are now, because I know what those are. Should've got some water. I'm thirsty. That Rona got me. No, I'm still. But thanks for tuning in, y'all. I want y'all to keep tuning in, man. I'm gonna try to do it. If I can get my views up, I'm gonna keep doing it. I probably got 6 shows in me. 6. If I don't see the numbers after those 6, I'm out. But while we're talking about numbers, make sure you tune in to my new podcast, because I got free time now, and the new podcast is called The Ego Podcast, where everybody got an opinion, but the only one that counts is mine. Check that out. We're going to be talking about sports, basically everything, but mostly sports. And I come with facts and numbers. You can't come to my podcast talking that I think he better because he hard. No, bro. What's your, cite your source. Got to cite, so it's 2020, we got to cite sources. I've been citing sources for 4 years. Let's go. But anyway, back to the show. So, these shoes here, I bought because somebody had a sale, and it goes back to what I was telling you a second ago when we were talking about. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's go, baby. Y'all like, what you got? So it goes back to what we was talking about. What you know about that? 1990, I think I was 11 or 10. We got a Sega Genesis. First game that we had on that Sega Genesis, Sonic the Hedgehog. We stayed up to about 4 in the morning trying to beat that joint. And we got to like one of them, the 6 to 8 board, and had to turn that joint off and lost all our progress. That shit was backbreaking. So that game holds a special place in me because Sonic was the move, man. We played Sonic to the end. Imagine my surprise when we got our game broke, but that's neither here nor there. You know, let sleeping dogs lie, but yeah, Sonic is the game. And one of the big joys of my life was to find out that my son, he was also a Sonic fan, and actually one of these shoes are his. This one is his. Look at that box. First, let's get to the shoe, man. But look at that box. You're gonna see all these in the picture, but look at that box, man. Come on, man. Come on, Puma. What y'all doing, Puma? What y'all doing, Puma? What y'all trying to change the game? This box hard, man. Tell me this box ain't hard. Tell me this box ain't hard. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's go. Ooh, you know what, Puma? I'm gonna give Puma some props here. I'm gonna give Puma some props. I like how they wrap the shoe up. For me, that shows the character. It ain't just a factory worker that's throwing it and moving on. I mean, it's a factory worker. Shout out to QC36. Shout out to you, QC36, for taking your time and making this shoe wrapped up nice and nice. You know what I'm saying? But these are my son's Sonic shoes. These are my son's. This is the first one. This is the first one. Come on, man. Come on, Puma. Come on, Puma. Ooh, what y'all doing? Wait till you see these pictures up close, though, but check it out. So, we got the 50 rings. He about to die. When you got 50 rings, you know you gotta get a hundo so you can get that extra man, but he about to die. They got the rings on the back. Got the 50 rings. Got the little Sonic, got 3 men, baby. You get 3 when you start. If you a Sonic player, you know you get 3 men from the jump. And look at that insole. Oh, I'm gonna pull it out. This ain't my shit. I'm gonna pull this out for y'all. Pull this insole out. It's all good. Oh, what? Shout out to Nipsey. Marathon continue. But yeah, that's when you running across. I think, remember when you played, look at that. I got the Puma joint on there. I'm gonna show you all these in the pictures. Remember when you played that that one board? It was like the bonus board. They had that checkerboard pattern when you running across it. That's what this comes from. That's hard. That's hard, Puma. Puma did some little. They did their work. I'll put it back on there later. Yeah, Puma did their work with this one, man. They got the. Shout out to the Sonic movie too. That movie was cool. I went to go see it. Trying to see if they gonna tag tongue. They got Sonic on the tongue. These shoes got some nice soft soles though. They straight. Okay, yeah. But these straight though. So these the black ones. These the black ones. And you know, that was the black ones. So I ain't gonna open up the other one. You got one. I'm trying to wrap the show up because it's getting long. Alright, now Q33 was bullshitting. He didn't wrap this one up kind of nice. Alright, Q33. I'm gonna have Q36 bust your head. Q33 was bullshit, man. He ain't put the stick on there right, bro. Look at Q33. Man, I'm gonna have to call Q36 and get on your head. But these mine. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be 1,000% honest with you. I would never wear these shoes out nowhere. Never. I just wanted them because they Sonic shoes. These harder than the black ones to me. I'll let y'all decide which one harder, but these harder than the black ones. They got the high score on these joints. My man got 6,800 rings on this joint. You'll see in the picture, but these harder. Which one better, the black one or the white one? These mine. I might wear these, I doubt if I do though, but these hard. They got the gold on that joint for the rings. Come on, man. Puma killed it on this one. Puma killed it on this one. Killed it. I said killed it too. Killed it. No, they did their thing. Now, I will say the other ones got a better insole. I ain't pulling my insole out. But they do have a better insole on the other ones. But these still straight though. You'll see them on the pictures. But yeah, man. Yeah, man. Puma, you did your thing, man. So, while you check out these pictures on these shoes, I'm gonna put these in the box and check out the video because you need to see these up close. Alright, y'all. Well, looks like we came to the end of the first episode in a long time. But I hope you like this edition of me unboxing my brand new Pumas. These actually, no, I ain't gonna say it's my first time having Pumas. Well, is it? Yeah, these are my first pair of Pumas. And shit, I don't think I ever bought a pair of Pumas. So these are my first pair of Pumas. I'm not a Puma person, but I like how they did the Sonic collaboration. I mean, I probably wouldn't buy another pair of those Pumas, like them RX-7s, what they call them, but I wouldn't buy those unless they got like a thing going on with them. But those Sonics I had to get because, you know, as I say, Sonic holds a place with me, and that box was ill. And actually, I didn't know that box was gonna be that nice, but excuse me. But yeah, it's a cool shoe. So if you made it up this far, you might as well give me a like, thumbs up. If you don't like the show, thumbs down. I don't care as long as I get some kind of interaction popping, you know. Other than that, man, thank you for tuning in. This is Frank's Closet. I have 5 more shows to go after this, and then we're gonna see how things roll. But this is Frank's Closet. I'm your host, Frank Grimes. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Yeah.